My name is Aram Sifuentes. My project is voting kits for the disenfranchised. The voting kits for the disenfranchised is literally that. I'm creating voting kits that provide ballots, ballot boxes, voting stickers, wristbands, posters, a bunch of stuff made by me and other artists. You know, I'm sort of tired of the rhetoric of like, voting is for everybody, because it's not. In 2016, more than 28% of the population could not legally vote. People under 18, non-citizens, people who are incarcerated and formerly incarcerated people, residents of U.S. territories, people without certain IDs. That list doesn't even address voter suppression. So we need to also start paying attention to that, as opposed to just saying, like, if we want to change things, let's go out and vote, which is important, but we also, I think, need to have some awareness of this population that doesn't have that right. There's the possibility to like create your own imaginative voting station. These stations are a symbolic gesture of like, I care, and here's what I would do if I was given this opportunity. So then with this art project, it's sort of like, okay, let's make it for all. If we can imagine a space where everyone's invited to vote, and it could be like this fun, joyous event, let's think about that and create these like crazy, performative, wild, celebratory voting stations. What could that look like? The goal is to make 50 kits. The 3AP is going toward that, to be able to help produce these kits, but also to send them out for free. By donating to this project, you're helping me recreate and sort of reimagine, like, what can voting look like for everybody?